We've had some rain, just. Radish was germinated. Start getting eaten now that we've got rain. Yeah, it is getting eaten. So I might have to try and do some. Catching of slugs and snails around here. Alright, I've just sown a little bit more of the spinach, red kitten. First lot I put in is germinated well, that's growing now. So this is a successional. Comes later crop. There's a bigger green caterpillar. It'll get even bigger than that if we don't get rid of it. So they're getting quite ragged, these cabbages now. But the pests really like this particular spring hero. This is the round spring cabbage. They just love it. So it's really difficult, I find, to keep it going and actually have some left at the end of the day that we can eat. There's another one hiding in that leaf there, getting bigger. These are not the caterpillars of the cabbage white butterfly. I think it's a moth of some sort. I'm not quite sure which one it is, but that'll have to be removed as well.